is a day after the plunge of Nvidia and indeed some other tech stocks. And in this pre-market session, that is today, the 28th of January, we have DXF. DXF lost 73% yesterday and is up around 217% in this pre-market session. This is its 1 minute chart, and it's currently trading at $23.2. We have volumes of, let's see, volume so far is around 645,000. Not a lot of shares have crossed the tape, indicating that definitely aggression is behind what is going on right now. We have downward projections down to 15.24. Above that, we have 17.28. We have above that 19.6. We have upper projections that go all the way towards 55.06. Below that, we have 51.35. We have 44.43. Although obviously these have been negated. They were in play a few minutes ago. They are not in play at the moment. Momentum on this 1 minute chart is not indicating, not projecting any strength. Let's have a look at its 5 minute chart. Let's see what we are looking at right now. We are not. We can't see any upper projections at the moment as things stand right now. But we are extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving average is indicating that a contraction in volatility is likely to occur. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart and see whether anything has been printed here. Yeah, this is the plunge of yesterday, and the vicious rebound, the vicious V rebound is what we are looking at right now. So nothing has really changed so far, because I think it hasn't traded up to 4 hours since it closed, since this pre-market session. And we have there's a downward projection of it is printing, sorry, 13.63. This is where it got the rejection. Where was this? Is this today? Let's see. Something is holding up my browser here. Let's see. We have rejection. It wasn't Friday, so this is not. Even at that, it's still relevant. 31.50. So it has actually printed higher highs, like higher prices than what it is doing. So this is expected. It's quite a volatile stock. It seems. It's quite a volatile stock. So if you want to get involved when the market opens, you have to know what you're doing. Know what you're doing with DXF stock. Let's get down to its 1-hour chart and see. Yeah, you can see it's that rejection of this was yesterday, isn't it? Yes, 28.97. That was where it plunged down from, and it's rebounding now. You just have to be really careful. It has become very highly volatile of late. Just how you get involved. Extrapolation is for higher prices, regardless of the 73% plunge yesterday. And downward projections that are no longer in play is 5.9 and 4.99, and all the way down here at 3.67. So let's have a look at its the next stock. IMAC Holdings, BACK. Let's see. Do we begin? It makes sense to go to the 1 minute chart, since we are in the pre-market session. BACK, let's see what we have there. BACK. Okay, BACK is, we can find out here. It's not exactly going to show us how much it has gained, but indeed, Benzinga is giving us a hint of around roughly 96.62%. 96.260% it's a penny stock. Not very long ago, it printed highs of around 2.05. As things stand right now, and not very long ago as well, we had what was this projection here? 2.09 as well. Yeah, 2.09. even all the way back to all the way up to 2.17 or thereabout. Yeah, so we have downward projections here. We have 1.54, 1.5, all the way to 1.48. Resistance is will be the next resistance will be its 200 period moving average on this 1 minute chart. Let's see whether we can find any news. IMAC Holdings introduces Ignite Proteomics, a new standard for matching patients with right cancer therapies. That was yesterday. Do we have any fresh news? Maybe that news came out late. No, no fresh news. 28.09 million shares have crossed the tape. It's not optionable. Not optionable, surely it's not. Yesterday, it gained 12.8% and has continued to move up now in this pre-market session. Let's look at its 5 minute chart. Okay, we have this is that even higher high, a high high of 1.98 it printed not very long ago as well. So here we still have we have upper projections that are in play. 1.78 below that we have 1.74, and this we have this negated upper projection of 1.96. Let's see what we have on the 45-minute chart for BACK. Okay, we have an upper projection of 1.92 as well. Extrapolation is on for its momentum on this 45-minute chart is slight weakness in momentum as things go by in the coming minutes. So let's get down to the 1 day chart. No waste of time. Okay, and the daily chart. Okay, let's see what we have. Our stock is in a strong bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bearishly lower, sloping bearishly downwards. And we have upper projection of 0.9314, and it has since surpassed that. Yesterday, I think it plunged all the way down here. Yeah, yesterday it did. Friday it plunged all the way down to 0.7322, 0.7332, and today, it wasn't just today, it was yesterday, it was equally, yesterday it rebounded to 0.8289. Now it has doubled all of that and surpassed this upper projection of 0.9317. Somewhere it's currently trading at, even this upper projection has since been taken out. So yeah, that's where it is trading at right now, 1.226 as things stand right now. Okay, let's see what the next one is. The next one is not SMCI, even though you're already looking at it, we can just see what it's saying there. Next stock is YIBO. Next stock is YIBO. SMCI is at 2.4417 in this pre-market session. So let's look at YIBO. Okay, YIBO. Let's see. We have a upper projection of 6.68, 7.38, and 7.75. This is its 5 minute chart. A huge spike yesterday, all the way towards 15.33, and has can give up all of that at some point. Planet Image International Limited. Let's get to its 1 minute chart and see what we have. Yeah, this was yesterday. Oh, this is today. Yeah, this is. I think this goes all the way back to yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Quite a volatile stock. Nothing really. Upper projections that are no longer in play now. 7.07. The highs of around even 11.04. That will be a stretch, but never say never. 11.2. That was just in this past pre-market session, as a matter of fact. YIBO. Let's see. YIBO. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, it's definitely one of the pre-market gainers. Okay, it was on a move in the previous session. That is session of yesterday, the 27th. Okay, let's get back to let's have a look at it, the 3 minute chart and see. Okay, 70 million shares have crossed the tape so far for YIBO. So this is the 3 minute chart. We have 7.03 as an upper projection. Negated upper projection 11.11. This is that spike of yesterday, the 27th, all the way towards $11 or thereabout. And even the projections went even higher. Highly volatile penny stock. Okay, let's get down to. We've seen the 5 minute chart. So let's have a look at it again. Yeah, here we have, we mentioned it already. 7.71. Below that, we have 7.42. Below that, we have 6.77. These are in play as things stand right now. Not that they will really be of great use to you by the time you're watching this. Let's look at the 4 hour chart. Yeah. So this was not today. It was yesterday. 8.51. Plunged all the way down and then rebounding again. Highly volatile. Highly volatile. Just know how you get involved. It's fascinating. It's this sort of stocks that can print a lot of gains for market participants, but yet also a lot of losses as well. So let's move on to the next one. Next stock will be ZKIN. Let's see what's going on with ZKIN. ZKIN is up around 32.35%. So this is its 1 minute chart. At some point, reached the highs of around 1.14 and plunged all the way down to 0.810. So quite volatile in this pre-market session. Upper projection from where it is right now is 0.9421. Let's look at the 5 minute chart. There isn't any news out there as such. Okay, today, let's see, announces shareholder call to discuss upcoming news and strategic growth plans. So the company is a leader in high performance steel, stainless steel, and carbon steel pipe solutions. Yeah, yeah. Upper projections go all the way towards 1.19. It's currently trading at 0.9423. Let's get down to the 45-minute charts. Let's see. Upper projection we have here is 1.01. Got a rejection at 1.14 yesterday. Okay, let's come down to the 4-hour chart and see what's going on. Yeah, huge spike and rejection at 1.05 and coming down now. Yeah, indeed, there are a lot of stocks on the move right now, and that's this the famous holo stock. We'll have a look at it separately, and yeah. So see what you make of these stocks: DXF, BACK, YIBO, and ZKIN. And thank you very much for watching this video.